Michelle from Straw-Bearie Designs, and this is Making Mother's Day Marvelous. This is a collab video, so please make sure to check out all the other videos in the collab. And tune back tomorrow where I'm going to be making a bookmark with flowers. Anyway, here is the necklace that we are going to be making today. It's a regular washer, and it says Mom, and it's on a string, and isn't that cute? I'm going to show you how to make a simple Mother's Day necklace. You're going to need a letter and punch set. They're about $15-ish. I'll have a link to one on Amazon. You're going to need some washers or some blanks, and then some ribbon or cording, and a hammer. I'm working on a concrete floor right now so that it's nice and secure, and I'm going to write out the word Mom. So I'm going to start with my O, and I'm going to set it down on my washer. Now, if you use regular washers from the hardware store like I'm doing, they're a lot harder metal, and they're a lot harder to do. So you might plan on doing it a couple of times and having a couple of extras so you have some practice. Now I'm doing the M on one side. You really only want to hit it once because you might move it a little bit as you're doing it, and then your letter will not come out smooth. And there it says Mom. It's probably going to be hard for you to see, but it does, trust me. And so this blank comes with a protective film on it. This blue is actually just plastic, so I can peel that off. Now, this is meant for stamping of jewelry, so it's a lot softer metal, so I don't have to hit quite as hard with this one. But again, I'm going to start with my O to make sure I get my Mom centered. And then I'm going to do an M on either side. And this is something that you could do with your older teens, or your tweens probably would love doing this. Now, the next trick is to take a black Sharpie and to draw over where you just punched and then wipe it off. You can see I'm just doing this with my fingers, getting a little messy, but that helps that the letters show up a little bit more because you're not wiping off the black Sharpie inside the grooves that you've just created. So I'll do it on this one. And then just wipe it off. And your Mom is showing up a lot better with the black in there. You can take just some cording or some ribbon or whatever you have, some string, some jute twine would look good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a loop. I'm going to stick it through my washer, and then I'm going to pull the two strings through like that, and then tie it on the other end, and it is a necklace to give to Mom. Or you could use a pre-made ribbon like this and put a jump ring on it, and you would also have a really cute necklace. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you will maybe try to make one of these yourself, and I will have a link to the materials in the description below. Come back tomorrow where we're going to make these cute flower bookmarks. Check out all the other videos in the playlist, and have a great day crafting away. Thumbs up, please.